Hello all, this is Loner 420. Happy Friday and happy 420 hour. Yeah, sorry I haven't been around for a week. I've been doing everything on my own and it all just got caught up with me and I was getting all befuddled, so I had to take some time off. But I have a couple of people working right now on my website, so I'm hoping by the end of the month I'll have a proper website going. So I'm at home today, Friday. I guess I'm gonna have myself a dab. Again, happy 420 all and happy Friday. Good old honey oil here. Yum yums, homemade. So yeah, we have a little bit of sunshine here on Friday, here on Vancouver Island. Yeah, the rest of Canada isn't doing so well, but we have the leaves already starting to burst out on the trees, so spring is in the air. Woohoo! Alright, happy 420 all. Yeah. From Loner 420 house, happy 420 and happy Friday day. Loner 420 signing out, Vancouver Island. Peace.